Hi guys, it's playtime. Today we have the Play-Doh cake party or Fiesta de Pasteles or Festival de Bolos. Recommended for kids ages 3 years old and up from Hasbro. Alright, let's open it up. We got a green plate. Looks like a lid. Extruder, purple and yellow. Pink fork, yellow knife. This one looks like a cake tray. Cutter, round cutter. Oh, look at this spatula. I love this. Such a unique design. This is the tower with molds in it. Candle, flower, star, and flower. A star cutter in yellow. Oh, we have another cutter. Gingerbread man. Let's see what we have in here. We have some more. This is our cake party base. Lots and lots of molds. Look at that. Candies. Wow. And we have another plate. It's blue. This is our instruction or manual. Another cutter. It's round, smaller. Oopsie. Uh-oh. Oh, is that? Okay, we have another cutter. It's butterfly shape. Oh wow, we have so many tools. Look at that molds. Shell, candy, and flower. Lots and lots of molds. And of course, the most important, cans of Play-Doh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 cans of regular Play-Doh. Regular size, I mean. Color is white. This is the special kind of Play-Doh. I love the container. It's clear. Pink. It's bright pink. Yellow. Orange. And blue. Let's start making layers of cake using this round cutter. Let's put it here. Push the plunger. Yay! Look! How nice! Let's make a bigger cake using this cutter. We got a yellow star. Let's decorate our cake with the yellow star. Now what are we supposed to put on top of the cake? That's right, candles. It's not a big cake, so let's just put one candle. Here we got our birthday cake. Let's make some more. Another cake. Press it hard. Now let us check if we made it right. Yay! We got 3 layers of cake. Let's put our cake on the plate. Let's mold a teddy bear. Here we got a happy bear. Let's put our happy bear on top of the cake. Here is our teddy bear cake. Let's put this cake on top. Let's cover it. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one.